Hi guys, today we are making coconut rice served with fried plantain and air-fried smoked turkey. Let's get started. Start by heating up about tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add your chopped onions and cook till it's soft. Then add some chopped tomatoes. Stir. Season this with some chicken seasoning. Stir it up. Close and cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. Then add some chopped bell peppers. Season again with chicken seasoning, salt, thyme, curry powder. Stir, close, and cook another 3 to 5 minutes. Then add some red crushed pepper and let this simmer. Add your washed rice, and this is just parboiled rice. Stir it until everything is incorporated. Add 2 cans of coconut milk. Stir this completely. Let everything all mix up. Season again with salt if needed and more chicken seasoning. I need a little bit more heat, so here goes my red pepper again and some bay leaves. Stir this completely. I don't want my coconut milk to go into waste, so I'm just gonna add some water and rinse out the can. So this is just to give me enough water to cook my rice until it's soft. Add about 2 tablespoons of coconut cream, and this is going to give it the more coconut flavor. Stir this, cover, and let it cook on low until it's soft. If you love this video, hit that like button. If you want to see more, do subscribe and hit that notification bell. Now, let's dig in and enjoy. See you in the next video. Bye.